Okay, so now let's have a look at how the pipeline works. So we will first push the tag to service 1, which is GCP and LP. So we are pushing the tag version 5.5. So as soon as the tag is pushed, Cloud Build starts to create a new image for us. When the image is done, Spinnaker pipeline will start and to deploy that new image. Yeah, so you see that version 5.5 is there, and which is being deployed, and here the pods are getting updated on the staging environment. Once the staging environment is done, it's waiting for our approval to deploy to production, so that we have approved. Now once that's done, deployment to production will start. So while that is going on, I'll show you something. Now you see that for the service 1 it's all green, but for the service 2 it's red. That is stop, right? So because the condition did not meet the criteria for service 2, so that branch of pipeline did not start. So now let's go ahead and update our service 2. So here we are going to push version 1.2. Right, so as soon as it is done, you will see that the cloud build, the new build has started. Okay, and the deployment for the service 2 has started as well. Right, so now let's look at the pods. Yeah, so yeah, the new pod is being created. Yeah, so while this is being deployed, so again have a look for the service 1, it did not start. For the service 2, it is all green. Yeah, the pipelines, this time the pipeline started for service 2, while for the service 1 it did not. One more thing I wanted to show you is how to figure out how you figure out what the trigger parameters are. So when you click on the source, you get this JSON, right? So you can parse it into any JSON editor. So this is something that I picked up online. So this is your trigger that comes into Spinnaker from Cloud Build. Any number of parameters can be used on whatever your requirement is. So one of the parameter I'll show you is the repo source. Right, so this is the parameter, right? So this is from where I picked up the tag and I have picked up the repo name, and if you will see that this is nested under triggers, and if you scroll up somewhere, yeah, so there it is.